Hi everybody, I hope that you're doing well. If you missed our reflection yesterday, take a look at this slideshow here and you can go through and see some of the topics that we talked about and discussed, and some recommendations I have for continuing on with design using the lessons from the unit we've just had. So, we are nearing our last few classes now. So what I want you guys to do over the next couple of class periods is reflect on the year that you've had in design and start thinking about some goals you'd like to set for yourself for the next year. So what you'll be doing today and on Monday is this activity that I'm explaining now. So today and Monday you'll be doing this activity I'm explaining now, and then on Wednesday we'll meet again. So we'll have another meet next Wednesday. That'll be our last meet of the year. Okay, so we'll have another meet next Wednesday, and we will sort of share what you go over or what you complete today and Monday. So what you're going to be doing, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to use this document here to reflect and think back on this year in design. So you've grown a lot, whether you know it or not, and you have gained some skills. There are probably some areas that you still need to improve. So what I want you to do is I want you to use these 3 guiding questions to come up with a few examples of areas that you have made improvements, a few areas that you want to continue to strengthen, or a few achievements or improvements that you've made that you're the most proud of, 3 areas that you want to continue to work on strengthening in design, and thinking about the advice that you would want to give yourself at the start of your 8th grade year. So think about if you could go back and talk to yourself right now based on all that you've learned and give yourself some advice for design in the 8th grade, what would it have been? What do you wish you would have known starting out? So you can just answer these questions in this document if you'd like to, or you can record yourself answering these questions and upload them in an audio file. You make a video, whatever you like. Just be sure to answer these questions and be thoughtful about it. Make sure that you give 3 achievements or improvements that you've made and 3 areas that you want to continue to strengthen. Really think about the work that you've done, look back on your assessments, look on your classwork. Maybe it's certain approaches to learning, so maybe it's your time management skills or your organization skills or something like that that you feel like you need to strengthen or that you're really proud of. So just think back on all the things you've done in design, give 3 examples that you're proud of, 3 that you still want to work on, and think about some advice you wish you could give yourself. Remember, you can answer this any way you want. Just answer these questions and really think about them, and we'll be talking about this next Wednesday. After you answer those questions, the second thing I want you to do is I want you to create a goal that you want to achieve next year in design. It can be more than one goal, but all I'm asking for is for you to create one goal. It can be anything you like. It can be about specific criteria or specific skills. It can be about reaching a certain achievement level, or it can be about just some personal growth. Whatever you want, just create a goal for yourself that you want to be able to achieve next year in design. Then you're going to create a visual aid that communicates that goal that you have for yourself. This can be a literal aid, so where you draw out exactly or you show exactly what you want, or it can be metaphorical, so it can be symbolic of that goal. So you can use anything you want to create this visual aid. You can draw, you can use your computer, you can use Canva, you can make a comic strip, you can do an animation, you can put together a model using objects in your home. Whatever you want, just find one way to represent this goal you have for yourself visually. You can be creative. I just want you to have fun with it. Do something that's stress-free and that you enjoy, and just visually represent the goal that you have for yourself in design next year. Like I said, you're going to be working on this today and Monday, so take your time, really think about it, and then on Wednesday we'll meet together and we will share what we've gone over and prepare for the next year. I hope you have a great rest of your day and a good weekend, and I look forward to talking to you next week. Email me if you have any questions. Bye, guys.